Welcome back, you guys. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, we will be exploring the extraordinary journey with the powerful teaching of none other than Connie Mendez. The teaching of Connie Mendez is explored through the renowned work, The Little Blue Book, where we are going to unleash the manifesting power within us. Through the help of Connie Mendez and her The Little Blue Book will guide us towards abundance and the life we have ever imagined. So embrace yourselves and let's explore the most incredible and powerful techniques through which we can open the dormant manifesting power. And before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to turn on the bell icon to avoid missing any of our upcoming videos. Get ready for a transformational experience of your life like no other. Over the period, we all have noticed how some people live an effortless life. The desire and dreams are fulfilled without any problems. They manifest their desires and they come to reality. Some people are living lives of satisfaction and abundance, while other parts of the world are suffering. They are struggling. What if I tell you, beautiful souls, that you can also be the part of the world where people can manifest and live the life you have always desired, life you have always wanted, without struggle, without suffering, just an easy way through. Does not it sound amazing? You desire something and you get it without any struggles, without suffering. I know it does sound amazing, and I know all of you want to hear about it. And my dear friends, we will learn about the powerful manifestation power, the technique provided by Connie Mendez through her Little Blue Book, which will help us harness the manifesting power. Let's begin by meeting Connie Mendez and her Little Blue Book. Connie Mendez shares her amazing insights on the powerful concept of manifestation through this book. She shares her teaching on the law of attraction, affirmations, visualizations, and most importantly, the principles that govern manifestation. The teaching and the wisdom have empowered and touched many people. People have been inspired to pursue their dream with more confidence and a good mentality. They have embraced a life of abundance and freedom, the life of desire and prosperity. The great truth that Connie Mendez shares through her book is you become what you think. Thoughts are things, and it's our attitude to decide what we want to become. The great truth in life is that the thing we have, the thing we think manifests. It depends on our thoughts, our attitude. Our beliefs are what we want in life and what happens to us. We see our concepts in our body, our character, and our external life. We become one to our thoughts. If we think we are healthy under any circumstances. The great truth is us, our thoughts. If we start thinking we are poor, we are unhealthy. We start to feel unhealthy, eventually leading us to become unhealthy. When we begin to believe that our lives can change, we can have setbacks. Our life is determined by the challenges and setbacks, and when we believe that these setbacks and challenges can change our fortune in bad ways, then our brain will start believing that, and we suffer from those thoughts. Those believe. We have seen the prayer of many people come true because they believe in their prayer, on their faith and beliefs. They only believe in positive outcomes, and hence are provided with blessings. Our minds and thoughts are capable to shape our reality. When we understand the power of our mind, we can move it in any direction we want. We can consciously choose where to focus. It completely depends on us, and what we choose and think of is what we receive. If we think of positive and empowering things, we will move in a positive direction. And if we think of negativity, we will lead our life towards negativity and negative terms. So, the consciousness of our mind has the freedom to choose whether it wants positive outcomes in life or negative. We often have no idea what we do and what we think of. It is very important to understand the great principle that we are our thoughts. Therefore, it is very important to be aware of what we are attracting into our lives. To shape our lives, one must understand the power of prayer. When we pray, we should be positive and believe in the power of God. What we are receiving are blessings on behalf of prayer. So make sure that you truly believe in what you want and desire. Believe in the power of God. Have faith in the believing and strong power of the Creator. Prayer is affirmation. You can affirm with a clear mindset. You do not have to have a particular image or form of a God. God is energy. They come in different shapes, sizes, places, and forms. So believe and have faith. Affirm what you want to become and what you desire in life. You will get what you want. You will receive what you think. Think of happiness. Think of love. Think of freedom. Think of abundance. When you try to connect to that divine energy, God is energy. They do not judge or are waiting for you to do any wrong or make any mistakes or harm and arrest you like the police. They are power. They are energy. They are these 7 laws, who continuously works for you, for your happiness, for your desire to fulfill. They do not take rest. The 7 laws work for you. And please believe me when I say that these laws are continuously working for you to turn your thoughts into reality. The thoughts have no limitations. You believe in your thoughts and you attract what you think. It is not as simple as it appears to manifest one's aspirations and desires. When we manifest things, we are bombarded with negativity throughout time. And it is up to our senses to get active and convince our subconscious minds that whatever we do next is beneficial to our lives. What we are thinking is completely harmless to our bodies and lives, because our subconscious is designed to defend our lives from danger. When we try to generate new life and new wants, it detects danger and creates a loop of negativity that makes it difficult to manifest life. So, first thing is to clear our minds and not allow any negativity to come into our minds. According to the Little Blue Book, we have to align our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with what we want, what we desire and dream of. We have to believe with the very core of our heart that what we want in our life is real and we already have the life we desire. We can use positive affirmations to make our brains believe in our thoughts. This way, we can align our thoughts and beliefs together. And when we visualize what we believe in, we create and feel this emotion, the happiness we feel after getting the desired things. So, shift your vibrations to the things you desire, to the positive experiences in your lives. When we align our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions with our body and the universe, we create a life that we have always wanted. Emotions are strong feelings. So feel the happiness as if you already have what you wanted. Do not forget the famous saying by Connie Mendez, "We become what we think." We are our thoughts. Be careful of what you think, what you ask for. Believe in your thoughts and see your thoughts turn into reality in front of your eyes. Embrace these limitless possibilities within you. Manifest abundance with this simple saying. Believe in the power of prayer. Believe in the power of God and become fearless. Now you have the power to create your reality through your thoughts. Align your mind, body, your soul, and emotions. Always remember you have the power to shape your reality, to manifest the life you have desired, to make your dream come true, and just by changing the way you think. So believe you are worthy and remember we are our thoughts.